Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to wherever you are watching from. Welcome to today's video where, as you can see by today's title, I have some limited edition and exclusive Starbucks cups that are not sold in Canada or the US. I got my hands on them and they went absolutely viral over on TikTok. I'm not just talking about a couple thousand views. I posted a video that got 4 million views in 24 hours of these Starbucks cups, and a lot of you guys have actually come over from there to my YouTube channel, so shout out to you guys and welcome to all my new subscribers. I'm gonna break down how I got them, where you can get them from, how much I paid, and then also there is a giveaway included in this video for this cup specifically. Since this one was the star of the show, I will have a giveaway for you. Stay tuned for all the rules, all the details, and everything you need to know on how to get limited edition Starbucks cups. First, let's get into how I got these exclusive Starbucks cups. They are not sold in America and they are not sold in Canada either. Honestly, we don't have a good selection here in Canada of Starbucks cups, and by the comments on that video, a lot of you guys think the same about America too. I've seen other countries' cups before and nothing has ever caught my attention until I first saw the Disney and Starbucks collection in Korea, and this kind of sparked my interest and started it all, which led me to the other cups. But first I saw these and I absolutely needed to get my hands on them. They are so cute. I love Minnie and Mickey. This is the first one. It's a glass tumbler, and as you can see, the lid is like a bubble lid that has Mickey and Minnie in it, and they're holding a coffee. There's like little stars, sparkles, glitter that's inside the cup, and I thought that was so cool. I've never seen a cup like that here in Canada for Starbucks. And then it has this, which is glass. It also does have this cute little detail, and it has this to have the straw on the side when you're not using it, which is so nice. It's suctioned close, and then you just go like that. And that's what this cup looks like. I was literally detective mode in my bed looking for these Starbucks cups. I know there's a lot of resellers, people selling fake ones. I didn't want to get scammed or fall for that. I've never ordered anything like this from Korea or any like other place in the world. I know Mexico has a lot of cool cups as well. I searched so hard for them, and then I also saw this one too, which at first I didn't want to get this one, but honestly it's like my most used one for my morning coffees. It's so cute. It says "Have a magical day." A ring light might affect the visibility, but it does have the Starbucks logo on this side of the cup. After doing so much research, I came across this Instagram page. It's called sold_sisters. I'll have it on the screen and as well linked their website down below. I also noticed that they had very reasonable prices as well. You can look it up on other websites or resellers. They sell it for so much more, so this was affordable. It looked trusted and legit, especially because they had their own legit website. I looked at reviews. They also have a Facebook page. They just seemed good to go on my end, so I did go ahead and purchase both of these cups. The specific name for this is the Autumn Disney Together Glass Cold Cup. This retailed for $45 USD, so around $55 Canadian, which yes, I know is pricey, especially for a cup, but it is limited edition. I love it. You can't get it anywhere else other than Korea, so this was just my splurge kind of item that I wanted to purchase. And then along with that, the second item was the Autumn Disney Together Milk Mug, and this retailed for $36 USD, so around again $45 Canadian. But shipping does vary depending where you are in the world, where you're shipping it to. Personally for Canada, it was around $30, so in total this came out to be $113 USD for both of these. I placed the order, waited, it arrived within a week. I didn't have to pay customs. It arrived so well packaged also. Like, I was so impressed, so happy with them, and the fact that I got it so quick as well. Best case scenario is a week, but my second order that I did place took closer to 2 weeks to arrive, and that order was the one with the limited edition items that, fun fact, are only found in one specific store in Korea. So not even every Starbucks in Korea has these cups. It is only one specific store, and that happens to be the first Starbucks that ever opened in Korea. They dropped a limited edition collection, which is this one, and honestly it is so pretty. pretty. It even came with really nice custom boxes as well. They just say Starbucks, the first store in Korea, and then obviously depending what item you have, you can see the tumbler with the really pretty straw. Obviously I can't read anything that it says, but it also does come with these stickers. I was so excited about this collection. And another thing as well, if you do follow them on Instagram, you see them kind of go to the store to get the item, so you know it's legit. Like for instance, when these dropped, there was a huge lineup outside the Starbucks, and they showed it on their Instagram story. When they walk into the store, when they're purchasing the items, they show you everything that's being bought on the register. For these ones example, there was a 10 per person limit, and you could see them at the store buying everything. Same for all the collection drops, they do the exact same thing. But I was so nervous that I wouldn't get my hands on these because again, it's only one store that has them, and the lineup was absolutely insane. I don't know if this is a collection that once it sells out, it sells out, or if this collection will just always be that one specific store's cup. This was the star of the show. This is the first Store Opera Tumbler. I was one of the first people to just check out because I've been stalking their website, refreshing for them to upload it onto their own website so I could purchase it. That being said, it was $49 USD, and it also came with a box and a set shipping price. And I'm mentioning that because now the prices are a little bit different, and I'll get a little bit more into that. But this is what the cup looks like. It is absolutely beautiful. It's like leather kind of strap here, so nice. The writing and this straw, are you kidding me? A lot of people on my TikTok were commenting that it looks kind of like a Kate Spade or like Marc Jacob collabed with Starbucks. I didn't even think of that until everybody started mentioning it, and I can definitely see it. It does look like a high-end kind of tumbler. For this one also, you can take out the sleeve for when you want to wash it, so you can just wash it and then dry it and pop it back in. This is one of the prettiest cups I think I've ever seen Starbucks drop. I do have one that my boyfriend bought for me, I want to say probably like 5-ish years ago. This is actually also a really pretty cup in my personal opinion. I love it. I think we only saw it at one store, one Starbucks. I never saw it again. I've never even seen anybody else post that they have this cup. It's just so nice. I absolutely love it. So this is definitely like one of my favorite cups as well. Anyways, this one was very nice, and I'm saying the price was $49 and it came with a box, which later I learned that when they went to ship everything, it was a lot more expensive than they expected due to the box and how big it was. So they do have different options on their website as of right now. I do also notice the price increase, and I can completely see why, like supply and demand. You guys absolutely just destroyed their website, sold it out, crashed it. They got bombarded, like to the point where they even emailed me like thanking me that I included them in that TikTok. I'm so excited and happy that that happened to their little like small business. But as of right now, if you want to purchase just this cup that does not come with a box, so they will just ship it like this with like plastic and obviously make sure that it's shipped nicely, they're selling it for $55 USD, just this, so not with the box or anything. But if you do want the box, they also have that as a separate option. It does sell for more, and that retails for $62, and again you will get the box. And the box honestly just looks like this. The cup just goes right on the inside right there, and that's how it looks if you want to purchase the box. Next up, we have the first Store Elma Tumbler. Look how pretty the flowers are on this one. This is the first cup Elma Tumbler. I love the color palette for this as well, and I was holding it like this and showed it like this in the video. A lot of people thought it was a handle. It's actually not a handle. I mean, you could use it as a handle because it's pretty sturdy the way I'm holding it, but it's actually to cover this. As you can see, this has a hole. You cover it, snap it kind of in. It keeps your drink nice and hot, nice and cold, whichever, and then it also helps with reducing the spill. And on the inside, that is what it looks like. Pricing for this, I paid $49 USD, and again it came with its little box, the same one as the other one, just a smaller little version for this specific cup. There is no packaging option on their website as of right now. I couldn't see it, but now the price for this is $58, so a $9 increase for that, but I do believe you also get the box. For these two cups, I did spend $130 USD. That translated over to Canadian, you can do the conversion decision yourself. They do also typically have a 2-cup limit, so you can only buy 2 of the same cups for a bunch of the items on their website. This time around it did take 2 weeks to arrive to me, while the other one was a week on the dot from when it shipped out. I did the basic standard shipping, so the first time it took exactly 1 week to arrive, and then the second order I placed took a little bit longer. It took closer to 2 weeks. I think it was like a week and a half to 2 weeks. No customs, but just be aware every time you do shop from outside and you're bringing it into Canada, you may get customs. But that is how I got the cups, the price, where I got them from, and kind of my experience shopping from that specific store. And last but certainly not least, I'm gonna let you know how to enter the giveaway to win this limited edition Starbucks cups. As mentioned, this is mine, so you will not be winning this specific cup, but you will be winning the new one that I get once it arrives. So I'm going to start the giveaway here. As mentioned, it does take a week to 2 weeks for the cup to arrive, so that is going to be how long this giveaway is going to run for. I know it can take up to 3 weeks. I haven't had that happen just yet, but just know it can take up to 3 weeks for it to arrive. It is open internationally. You have to be subscribed here on my YouTube channel, so if you're not subscribed, definitely hit that subscribe button right now. Give this video a big thumbs up, and what I want you to do is, starting from this video right here, keep up with my channel, see what I'm doing, what uploads I do, drop your opinion down in the comments below on what I show. I might have hidden questions in the video that you will specifically have to answer, so make sure you're staying tuned for that, because if it does have a specific question, I will be looking for people that answer the question, but I will be using also a random generator on whichever video I end up picking. But for today's question, there's a lot of new subscribers here and I'm so excited to have you, so I do want to know where you are watching from, where you are located, and then number 2 is, what kind of videos do you like watching? Do you like watching hauls, shop with me's, get ready with me's, mukbangs, day in the lives? Let me know what typically is the content that you like to see down in the comments. And that is it for today's video. I do typically post every Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays. Shorts are also included. I do usually post 2 videos and then a short, so 3 times per week, so keep your eye out on that. Keep your eyes peeled on my channel, and then as soon as I get the cups, I will update you guys and I will pick one lucky winner and I will just ship it out to you. Again, open internationally. That's all you gotta do to win this beautiful, beautiful Starbucks cup that's limited edition from Korea. But that is everything for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up. Good luck to each and every single one of you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!